cued with military precision, ready for the smoking process. This facility handles thousands of links every hour. Introducing the perfected sausage. Here we see the newly installed automated hooks, capable of moving entire sides of beef with unparalleled precision.
These colossal grinders represent the first stage of processing, capable of reducing raw materials to fine powder in seconds. Giant paddles begin to turn, slowly folding the spices into the meat. The motion is deliberate and powerful. The mixture is mechanically churned until the desired consistency is achieved, ensuring perfect texture in every batch.
The mixed meat emulsion is pumped through large stainless steel pipes, part of the circulatory system of the automated facility. A testament to the efficiency of the automated facility. Multiple stuffing machines work in parallel, producing massive volume. In a fully automated process, the raw sausages are twisted and linked with flawless consistency.
Here we see the bratwurst, perfectly aligned on the racks, ready for the crucial smoking process that gives them their distinct flavor.
The smoking process gradually transforms the pale sausages into a perfect, rich, golden brown color, locking in the flavor.
The cooking cycle is complete. A moment of finality.
A continuous river of golden brown product moves swiftly towards the automated packaging system.
The perfected sausage, consistent, inviting, and sealed for freshness. Like a steel river, the main conveyor snakes through the factory, an endless flow of cargo moving with mechanical precision.
This state-of-the-art facility processes an unprecedented volume, stacking thousands of units per hour with pinpoint accuracy.
The autonomous guided vehicle silently optimizes the workflow, the epitome of modern automation.
This facility alone stores enough inventory to supply the entire eastern seaboard, a testament to modern logistics.
In this centralized hub, an army of product stands ready for deployment across the globe.
Easy now, clear the ramp. All right, push it all the way to the front. We need to strap it down.
I'm so glad we finally made this. It turned out perfectly.
It is delicious, mija. The hard work paid off.
To good food and family. Salud!
A beacon of industry, illuminating the night and powering our future.